Hey guys, I'm Geek. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of a multifunctional laptop docking station stand that was sent to me so I can try it out and make a video for you guys. Now I've been using this for a couple weeks already. Of course, just like always, I put it back in the box. That way you guys can have an idea how it looks when you receive it in the box. Very nice small packaging. And like you see right there, it says docking station stand, bracket, compatibility. Over here in the back you got the specs, so if you want to pause the video there so you guys can see the specs a little bit better. Very nice. And of course this is also compatible with Android cell phone as well. Like if you have one of those Android cell phones that has like video output, like the Android Galaxy Note that I use with this phone, with that it actually works. You got this the station. The inside of course is covered with this right here, but like I said, I put it back in the box. You got one cable that you need included. That's it. This is the only cable that you're gonna need, and that's it. There's nothing more in this box. But what's cool about this dock is that it has 8 ports right here in the back. For those that buy like MacBooks or laptops today and day that sometimes they have like very limited ports, this would be one option for you guys. So this right here has a normal micro SD card, a normal SD card, USB 3.0, USB 3.0, has a gigabyte port, LAN port, HDMI port, USB-C port, and USB-C port right there. That's so freaking awesome. So you got 8 ports right there, which is very, very essential ports, especially if you have one of those laptops that are limited, right? This is wide enough to actually fit a MacBook. But like you see in the video, I did try to fit my Alienware. It did not fit. I tried to fit my XPS 15 laptop, which is like 5 years old. It did not fit. Maybe the new one might fit because it's a little bit thinner. But like you see on the website, they do have pictures of MacBooks connected there. Now here in the bottom, you have some silicone rubber there, which right now, of course, you can use this just like that as an organizer, or if you just want to use it for, like, for example, for your smartphone, you can put your smartphone like that and just use one cable connected from the smartphone to the USB-C. And like you see here on the video, I did that with the Galaxy phone, which you see right here. And you can actually use Samsung DeX on any screen. And that's cool because you can use the ports from this device to actually add storage, to use a keyboard and a mouse and all that connected to the phone. That's really damn cool. Now, of course, you can also use it with a tablet if you want as well, especially the latest iPads that now have access to USB-C or internal storage. That's pretty cool. Now, if you want to use this with your laptop, this is what you have to do. You have to extend these hidden arms, right? It has this right here, bump, this right here, doop. That way your laptop, when you hook it up like that, your laptop won't actually fall at all. It won't slip out. So this is really cool because it won't slip, of course, because of all the rubber in the bottom, silicone rubbers. And like you see here on the video, I did hook it up just one cable that connects from the laptop to the dock device. And when you connect a SD card, you know, boop, it recognizes it really damn fast. That's really cool. Also, when you connect a USB thumb drive, it recognizes it really fast. And the cool thing is that it provides a lot of cooling in the bottom, because since the Alienware is a laptop that is pretty heavy in graphics and intense work, and it actually gets hot. So you want to give it that breathing on the bottom if you can give it. And of course, it won't scratch your laptop because same as here, it also has rubber silicone here and rubber silicone here. So no matter what kind of laptop you actually use this with, it will not get scratched. It will not get scratched. It will not slip because this is silicone rubber as well. You see there, this hides like that. You want to use it, you just open it up like that, and that's it. And there you go. Very cool. You put it up back like that, where you're not gonna use it. Nope, this one goes first, this one goes first, and this one goes next, and that's it. Now you have an desk organizer. Like if you're gonna use it just for the tablet or just for the phone, that's gonna be connected to the TV or to the monitor, and that all use all those ports. It's very, very, very handy. So this goes for around $100 or $89. I don't know the exact price for this, but I'll leave links in my descriptions for the website for this device. And if there's like Amazon links for this in the future or today, I'll leave it in my links as well. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Like I said, I decided to go ahead and do this video because I know there's a lot of people today buying new laptops with very, very limited ports, and this is obviously a good choice. And just like this, there's a whole bunch of other brands that you find on Amazon that has docks like this, but this one I find is so interesting because you can use it. It hides these things in the bottom, hides, and it makes it look like a totally different product, right? Because you can use it for tablets and phones, or if you extend these, you can actually use it for the laptop, and it gives good breathing on the bottom. That way it doesn't get hot. Plus it adds all these ports, which are very, very convenient. And I love the fact that it has a full size SD card, which my laptop only has a micro SD card, and I do prefer the normal size card, so that is a plus for me. So guys, I'll leave links in my descriptions for this device. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Till next time guys, bye bye.